Welcome, listeners, to another fascinating journey where science meets the mysteries of human experience. In today's video, we're going to explore a phenomenon that has left scientists puzzled and yet captivated, an audio frequency that seems to provide deep sleep, relaxation, and even stress relief. Many people from around the world claim this specific audio helps them enter a state of calm, relieves their anxiety, and, most importantly, helps them achieve the elusive deep sleep we all crave. But here's the catch. Scientists cannot fully explain why this particular sound works. Stay with us as we dive into this intriguing mystery. We'll explore what makes this audio so special, discuss scientific theories behind why certain frequencies affect our brains, and reveal the profound experiences that people have shared. Whether you are here because you are curious or simply want to relax, we invite you to listen and feel the effects for yourself. What is this audio? First, let's talk about the audio itself. It may sound simple, a continuous sound of soothing music with subtle variations in tone. However, it's not just any kind of music. This is what experts call binaural beats, a form of soundwave therapy that utilizes different frequencies to impact the brain. To explain, binaural beats occur when two slightly different sound frequencies are played into each ear. The brain then perceives a third tone, a beat, if you will, that doesn't actually exist. This auditory illusion has been known to produce various states of consciousness, including relaxation, focused attention, and even sleep. But the particular audio we're discussing today takes things even further. For reasons unknown to science, this specific sound seems to go beyond simple relaxation. Many listeners report a sense of deep physical and mental healing. Some even claim it can cure stress-related illnesses, improve chronic sleep issues, and create a state of peace that persists long after the music stops. And yet, no clear scientific consensus exists on why this effect occurs. Why sleep matters for health. Before we dig into the theories behind this phenomenon, let's take a moment to understand why sleep and stress relief are so critical for our well-being. We all know that sleep is essential, but modern life makes it increasingly difficult to achieve the restful, deep sleep that our bodies need. Stress, anxiety, and overstimulation from screens, work, and daily responsibilities can lead to sleepless nights, creating a vicious cycle. Lack of sleep doesn't just make us tired, it weakens our immune system, increases our risk of heart disease, and diminishes our mental capacity, making it harder to concentrate and handle stress. In short, sleep is not just an inconvenience, it's a cornerstone of health. And for people who struggle with sleep, the consequences can be severe. So if a specific audio frequency can help induce deep sleep, it's no wonder people are flocking to it in hopes of regaining control over their health. Let's explore how sound can influence our brain. At the core of this phenomenon is the brain's ability to respond to rhythm and frequency. Our brains are constantly producing electrical impulses, which we can measure as brainwaves. These brainwaves vary depending on our state of consciousness, from alert, waking states, beta waves, to deep sleep, delta waves. Binaural beats, like those found in the audio we're discussing, are believed to interact with these brainwaves. When we listen to different frequencies in each ear, the brain tries to reconcile the difference by creating a new frequency. This process is called entrainment, where brainwaves synchronize to match the rhythm of an external stimulus. For example, if you are listening to a binaural beat with frequencies that produce delta waves, the same brainwaves found during deep sleep, your brain may shift into a similar state, making it easier to fall asleep. But here's where things get interesting. In this specific audio, the effect seems to be more profound. Many report a sense of peace and calm far beyond what they experience with other types of binaural beats. The sound induces not only relaxation but also an almost meditative state. Some even describe it as healing. So what do scientists think is going on here? Several theories try to explain why this particular audio seems so effective, but none provide a complete answer. Let's dive into some of the most prominent theories. Brainwave entrainment. As we've mentioned, binaural beats can influence brainwaves through entrainment. Some scientists believe that the audio in question contains frequencies that specifically target delta waves, the brainwaves associated with deep sleep. The brain naturally transitions into deep sleep when exposed to these rhythms, allowing for better rest. However, entrainment alone doesn't account for the healing properties people report. The frequency of healing. Another theory centers on the idea of sound frequency healing, also known as sound therapy. Ancient cultures, from Tibetan monks to Native American shamans, have long used sound for healing and spiritual experiences. Some believe that certain frequencies, especially those within the range of 432 Hz and 528 Hz, have inherent healing properties. In fact, 528 Hz is often called the miracle tone because of its supposed ability to repair DNA and restore balance in the body. It's possible that the audio we're discussing today is tuned to one of these healing frequencies, triggering a biological response that promotes well-being. Psychological expectation and the placebo effect. Of course, we cannot dismiss the power of belief. The placebo effect is a well-documented phenomenon where the mere belief in the effectiveness of a treatment can produce real, measurable health improvements. For some listeners, knowing that this audio is special may heighten their sense of relaxation, reduce stress, and help them fall asleep faster. Altered states of consciousness. Some researchers propose that this audio induces an altered state of consciousness similar to deep meditation or hypnosis. In these states, the brain can enter theta or even delta wave activity, which is associated with deep relaxation, healing, and enhanced mental clarity. This state may allow the body to access its natural healing mechanisms, promoting deep rest and reducing the physical symptoms of stress. Let's now take a moment to hear from people who have used this audio to improve their lives. The stories are remarkable. Case Study 1. Sarah's Sleep Breakthrough. Sarah, a 35-year-old woman from New York, had struggled with chronic insomnia for over a decade. Nothing worked until she tried this audio. She describes the experience as life-changing. Within the first week of listening, she was sleeping through the night for the first time in years. But what really stood out was the peace she felt when she woke up. She reported feeling more balanced and less anxious, as though the audio was helping her not just sleep, but heal. Case Study 2. Mark's Anxiety Relief. Mark, a college student, was overwhelmed with stress and anxiety during his final exams. He stumbled upon this deep sleep audio by accident. After one night of listening, he noticed a profound sense of calm, not just during sleep, but throughout the next day. He continued using it during stressful periods and now swears by its power to help him focus and reduce anxiety. Case Study 3. Healing Beyond Sleep. Interestingly, some people report benefits that go beyond improved sleep or stress relief. One listener, Jane, claims that her chronic headaches have lessened significantly since she started using this audio. She describes feeling more centered, less physically tense, and overall healthier. As we reach the end of this fascinating exploration, one thing is clear. While scientists may not fully understand why this audio works, its effects are undeniable for many people. Whether it's the brainwave entrainment, the healing frequencies, or perhaps even the placebo effect, listeners around the world continue to experience remarkable benefits from this simple yet mysterious audio. If you're curious, why not try it for yourself? Whether you're seeking better sleep, stress relief, or simply want to relax, this audio might just be the tool you've been searching for. Thank you for watching, and as always, take care of yourself. Relax, sleep deeply, and heal.